Alright, so here we are at CPR. Got the transmission out, the drive shaft as well. Nate is in there with Martin, but just going to take a quick minute. The shop's a little bit of a mess here. I guess they had some machinery breaks, so they're in the process of fixing it, but there is the GTO. She's been tucked up here for a while. She's all covered in dust, but I do have some body parts out being painted. I got the front bumper out. I'm putting an SAP front end on that. The hood is also being re-clear coated. But here's a shot at the turbos. And the rear end, we also did do a G-force shock relocation. And so just a quick overview on that. No front bumper, of course. Like I said, it's being painted. But yeah, hopefully, I guess Nate says that he's gonna get started on it here pretty soon.
I'm gonna start on it tomorrow, man.
Oh, perfect. Okay,
it's easy.
cool.
I got your new converter over there in the box. It's a little bit hectic because of everything got torn down to do the painting.
Yeah.
Took apart our hone machine.
Yeah, exactly. I'll show you guys real quick the dyno room here. They got some pretty cool shit going on. This shop, since Nate's kind of come into management, is really you know, turning the page here. So here's their dyno room. This artist also did Nate's old shop, and this is all done by hand, which is kind of really cool. So there's Martin.
Oh, is that a 9?
Yeah, it's a 9. Yeah,
we got 2 of those here. They're pretty badass.
So I guess I'm finally.
The context of the art is that, as far as I'm concerned, Southern California is the epicenter and starting point of all things cool, including street racing.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
And so Custom Performance Racing Engine started with Martin as Custom Performance Racing. This was like a hangout spot for street racers to come and tinker on their toys. And so before it was a machine shop, it was a race car. Yeah,
I know Martin's built some shit that's probably hurt some feelings in the past. I know. Yeah, you had that Datsun. You know, your shop being where it is, you know, you got 135th and Main down the street, so.
Yeah, the Datsun, man, the Z car, there it is right there.
Yeah, that's it, right? Yeah. That's cool, man, dude. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys come out.
Yeah, like you kind of look, it's street art, you know, it's street racing, and we wanted to start off with the art to kind of pay homage to, you know, the culture of everything street and SoCal, because everything cool starts here, whether it's hip hop music, whether it's fashion, Hollywood. We start all the trends here. There wouldn't be street racing in Oklahoma if it wasn't for California, because they emulated the things that are taking place here.
That makes sense.
There wouldn't be lowriders in New York if it wasn't for California. There wouldn't be Volkswagen Beetles with 2180cc engines. People wouldn't be putting turbos on shit if it wasn't for what motherfuckers in California did.
That's right.
So that's it. And so that's
Martin,
like, we're just
scientist.
Welcoming people back to the epicenter of everything cool.
Yeah.
Starting off with the dyno room.
Absolutely.
Because a lot of cool fast cars engine comes to life for the first time right here.
Exactly.